In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect to CS2 community server. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to find and connect to community servers in CS2. So back in CSGO, you were able to just go over to play and you would find the option here. But as you can see, they are now hidden behind this tiny icon. So if you want to connect to community servers inside of the game, just click on this option here. You will get this warning, click OK, and now you can browse through all of them. So make sure that you choose Counter-Strike 2 and you can start to search. This will display a lot of servers nearby, and a lot of these are going to be ads. So it can be quite annoying to actually find servers that you can play on. If you have a specific server in mind, then just use the search function. But because so many of these are going to be advertisements, it can get annoying to use. The other option that you have, and the one that I would recommend, is going to a website like this, cs2browser.com. It is essentially the same thing as the community server browser inside of the game, but this allows you to filter between many more servers, and it is easier to visualize everything. So it won't be flooded with ads, and you can customize various different options such as the ping, display full servers, locations for the servers, regions, and you can even filter through specific modes. So if you want to only find surf servers, for example, you can click on the option here. Once you find a particular server that you would like to join, click on it and you will see the option to join server available here. This will open this pop-up, or you can copy the IP and type the connect command in chat. If you click on the option to join server right away, you can join the server by downloading any necessary maps and assets. So let's say, for example, you join a surf server. It is going to tell you to download the map, and once you have it downloaded, it will allow you in. So just browse through any server that you see here, click on the option to join, and you will be redirected inside of the game, connected to the server automatically. It's simple to do, and I believe that it is much better than the official community server browser built inside of CS2. That one can be tricky to look through, and this website makes it much easier to visualize and filter through all available servers. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect to CS2 community server. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.